Gold and silver both traded bullish yesterday, achieving 1655 and to $20 levels. I hope you all profited, as that was the expectation that one can remain long till the time gold trades above 1630 and for silver above 1940 levels. Now, what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit, so do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest update. The next update will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that update. Also do press the bell icon. Let's look at the hourly charts. Taking the support, higher lows are seen at the same time. It is getting a strong resistance at 1650 levels and then at 1655 levels. These two it has to cross in order to sustain the bullishness, and specifically 1660. Once it trades above 1660, more bullishness to be seen. At the same time, below 1640, yes, you can expect it to drop heavily on the downside. Now we will see the levels exactly. The direction movement so far is stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trading on the sell side, trying to cross over, and RSI is trying to cool down a bit. It is looking downwards. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, on the contrary, see this candle and see this 3 retracement candles taking the support here at 1646.47 and now trying to reverse, but at the same time there is a stronger resistance they are getting at around 1650 levels. Also there is a crossover between the 50 and 100 period moving average. Potentially once it trades above 1655, you can buy again. Then you can expect we might see 1660, which is a larger resistance, and beyond that it will continue the rally. So how it is behaving? See the bottom here, rally, retracement, consolidation, this breakout, and I will wait for the next candle which might take it till to 1655 levels, achieving double top. How it behaves, that is most important. Only if it breaks past 1660, one can expect more bullishness to be seen. Direction movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is in green and it is trying to converge here. The RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, look at this higher lows. First of all, higher lows is important. Then flat top, this is another observation. Once it breaks out either of these levels, certainly more bullishness to be seen. 1655 is the level beyond which you can stay long for 1660, and on the downside below 1645 you can sell there for 1640 and below levels. Directional movement divergent bullish, stochastic at cool down to comfortable levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is trading with increasing candle size, indicating little bullishness. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here too. Higher lows are seen, flat top is seen. Hence, once it breaks past either of these levels at 1645 or 1655, you can take your trades. And yes, do not trade between 1645 to 1655 levels. For this $10, avoid trading gold. Directional movement divergent bullish, stochastic comfortable, MACD divergent and bullish, and RSI looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it is still in the phase of a consolidation. Double bottom here, then higher lows here, and if you connect the dots here, higher highs. So yes, what should be the highs? If it continues to rally from here, trades above 1660, my next target is 1671, 1685 levels. It can continue till towards those, and that should be considered a breakout. Right now it is trying to consolidate with giving lower highs here and higher lows here. Let it give a breakout. Any move above 1660 should be a good indication that it is trying to give you a breakout. Then 1665, 71, 85 levels to be seen. Very strong resistance in 1685. Yes, this is also 20 period moving average here at 1652. It is, which is giving it a little resistance on the upside, and then here it is. At this point you will find the 50 period resistance will come into picture at around 1670-75 zone. So directional movement, it is still bearish. Stochastic has hit a bottom, trying to look upwards. The MACD is divergent and slowly trying to diverge more, indicating little bullishness. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, for the day one can buy at 1655 and sell at 1645. But remember, those who want to take a very safe entry should wait for 1660 to breach. If it trades above 1660, certainly you can confirm that the bulls are there and it may try to take it highs. 1665, 71, 78, 85 are the next targets. You can stay long for these levels, and even if it breaks 1685, it can further achieve 1700 also, if not today, possibly in next couple of days. This is one part. Next part, on the downside below 1645, you can take a sell position there. Below 1645 you can take a sell position, but then expect 1640 very strong support, 1635, 1630, these two levels only and only if it breaks below 1630 you can confirm that we are looking forward to another round of bearishness which will take it till towards 1620, 1618 and then 1600, 1590 levels. So sell below 1645, buy above 1655. That is the mandate for the day. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Remember the FOMC statement and the interest rate rise, interest rate hike from Fed will be the deciding factor for the day for gold's movement. Hence, trade with caution, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Delaying it by 1 month, they are delaying the profit for 1 week, 1 month. So do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me. Only couple of seats are left. Book your seats now. Also, you can be part of my signals group and definitely you can cherish the profits. Thousands of pips and points gathered across the indices and commodities in few weeks. And yes, you can also achieve the same. Join my VIP signals channel. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs both are mentioned in the channel and video description. Just press the link and you will be directed to my Telegram ID or email ID where you can directly have a contact with me and can join either my mentorship batch and signals channel. Else become a patron and support the effort. Now look at the silver chart here. Silver on the hourly charts taking the support from 1960 level. See, previously 1960 was the resistance, now 1960 the support. Trading below 1960, certainly you can go short. You can expect 1950, 1940 is the next support level and then 1920. So 1940, 1920 are the major support level. If it trades below 1960, you can stay short. You can expect it to drop more. Now look how silver has traded. This is the rally retracement. Possibly it may try to give you lower highs, try to take it till towards 1980-85 zone and from there again a downward move can start. So it cannot be confirmed bullish till towards $20 levels, but yes, you can buy here at 1980 and expect it to rise for 1990, 2000 levels. So yes, you can buy at 1980, expect a little rise. And sell below 1960, you can expect it to achieve 1940, 1920 levels. Direction movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is still bearish. It is trying to converge and RSI is looking upwards, indicating little strength there. Look at the 2-hour chart. Similar is the indication. Taking the support from 1960, it is trying to reverse. At the same time, lower highs are seen and hence once it breaks past 1980, you can buy there. Expect it to rise for 1990, 2000. 2000 is a very strong resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD is trying to converge here. It is still trading in green. RSI looking upwards. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts, but look at this candle. This candle was a huge swing between $20 to 19.5 and hence you have to stay cautious there. Yes, any move beyond 1980 should be a good indication to buy, but then expect 1990 and 2000 as a good resistance. Directional movement divergent bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green. It may try to converge. RSI looking upwards, indicating little strength there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation there. What we had seen on the other time frames, taking the support from 1960, it is trying to rise. It is still indicating bullishness on the stochastic. Directional movement, the stochastic is looking downwards and MACD is in green. It is trading parallel without any signs of weakness. RSI is looking upwards. Now look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. Higher lows, higher highs. Now yesterday's candle has achieved the highs of this channel and hence one has to wait for it to breach past 2010 levels to breach this channel and continue the bullish momentum. At the same time, below $19, certainly you can expect that it is going to reverse again on the downside. See, a drop, retracement, and then the drop should follow, and this is going to be an extreme drop if it continues to trail on the downside. Hence one has to wait for the breakout to confirm a long position or a short position for little more duration, maybe 1 week or so. If you want to take a positional trade, you have to wait a little. You have to let it trade below $19 and let it trade above $20 for it to sustain a bullish or bearish momentum. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic rising again. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI trading flat. Considering this for the day, sell at 1960, buy at 1980. But on the upside, you have to remain cautious of $20 levels. Very strong resistance lies there, and beyond that 2020. If these two are taken, you can stay long. It is going to hit $2100 or $21 levels very soon. Hence, stay long above 1980 levels. At the same time, one must go short at 1960, but then expect 1950, 1940 and 1920 the stronger resistance. Only below 1920 the bearishness will be seen. Hence, adopt these two rules. First is to shift your stop loss, your entry price whenever you see that your trade is in profit. That will save you from the volatility and the wild moves which it may show, and hence you have to trade with the stop loss at cost or at least trailing stop loss. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.